Samsung will reveal its new top-notch smartphone in less than 2 months. Some details about the upcoming phone have already leaked, suggesting improvements like more RAM. However, a recent rumor contradicts these claims, stating that the RAM upgrade might not happen after all. A trustworthy source, Ice Universe, shared info about Samsung's upcoming phones. The regular Galaxy S24 is expected to have 8 gigs of RAM, and you can't increase it even if you choose a more expensive version. The Galaxy S24 Plus will offer a 12 gigs of RAM option, but its basic version will still have 8 gigs of RAM. The rumor also suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra's starting model will have 8 gigs of RAM, while the higher-tier model will come with 12 gigs of RAM. If this info is right, it might not be great for Samsung's image. People won't be happy if Samsung keeps using less RAM in its top phones for 4 years straight. This is a problem because these phones are supposed to have on-device AI, and that needs more memory. It looks even worse when you compare it to other Android phones from different brands. They offer 16 gigs or even 24 gigs of RAM, making Samsung seem like it's cutting corners. Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Recently, they passed certification in India, Vietnam, and now in the US a month before launch. The FCC certification ensures they meet requirements for connectivity and radiation levels. This is a big step forward, and the specific models approved for the USA are listed. The Galaxy S24 phones will be sold globally in places like Africa, Australia, Europe, and Latin America. The global S24 and S24 Plus are said to have the Exynos 2400 processor, while the versions in Canada, China, and the US will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. The S24 Ultra is expected to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip everywhere. If you don't like Exynos, you might want to go for the top-tier S24 model. Are you excited for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.